Hello. Now let's learn formula for solving quadratic equations. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is quadratic equation, with variable x, such that a, b, c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0, then x equals minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is, x equals minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x equals minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now let's derive its proof. Here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is given quadratic equation. Okay, with variable x such that a, b, c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0. Okay, let us suppose we are unable to factorize product of a into c in a form of p into q such that p plus q is not equal to b. Here a, b, c, p, q are all not in integral form. Okay, that's why let us suppose we are going to apply here a method of completing square, and we know that in a method of completing square coefficient of quadratic term must be 1, but here coefficient of quadratic term is 1, instead of 1 it is a. To remove that a, we need to divide this equation by a. Therefore, dividing both sides of this quadratic equation by a, we get ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a equals 0 upon a, and therefore it will be x square plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. Okay, now the coefficient of quadratic term is 1, coefficient of linear term is b by a, and constant term is c by a. Let's transfer that constant term towards right side. Therefore, it becomes x square plus b by ax equals minus c by a. Okay, now to complete LHS as a perfect square, we need to add half into coefficient of linear term, its square, in LHS as well as in RHS. Therefore, let's add that term. Therefore, it will become x square plus b by a into x plus half into b by a, its square, equals minus c by a plus half into b by a, its square. Okay, half into coefficient of linear term, its square, half into coefficient of linear term, its square, added at the LHS as well as at the RHS. Okay, therefore this equation becomes x square plus b by ax plus 1 into b gives us b upon 2 into a gives us 2a, its square, equals minus c by a plus b upon 2a, its square. And therefore it is x square plus b by ax plus b square upon 4a square equals minus c by a plus b square upon 4a square. Let's rearrange terms at the right. First of all, let's write positive term and then negative term. Therefore, it becomes x square plus b by ax plus b square upon 4a square equals b square upon 4a square minus c by a. Here, denominators are not same. Denominator is 4a square and denominator is a. LCM of 4a square and a is 4a square. To convert a to 4a square, we need to multiply it by 4a. Let's multiply denominator and numerator of c by a with 4a. Therefore, it becomes x square plus b by ax plus b square upon 4a square equals b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. Denominator and numerator must be multiplied by 4a to equalize their denominators. Therefore, x square plus b by ax plus b square upon 4a square equals b square upon 4a square plus minus c into 4a gives us 4ac upon 4a square. Therefore, it is x square plus b by ax plus b square upon 4a square equals b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now, it can be written as x plus b upon 2a its square, root of the first term, sine of the second term, and root of the third term its square. And right side is b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now, by taking square roots of both these sides, we get, therefore, it will be x plus b upon 2a equals under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and the sign will be plus or minus, because square of the positive term is positive as well as square of the negative term is also positive. That's why plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And therefore, on transfer of this plus b upon 2a towards right side, we get minus b by 2a. Therefore, it becomes x equals minus b upon 2a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By taking common denominator, we get x equals minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and therefore we have a result x equals minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x equals minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, this is a formula for finding roots of quadratic equations, and it is known as formula method for finding roots of quadratic equations. Thank you.